my assistant only has garlic powder, but my British came out. But I normally also have onion powder and nutritional yeast.
Assistant!
Can you hand me my water?
Should I help you put it in?
No.
I'm good, thank you.
Okay, I'm just gonna stay back.
At the same time, Garth Brooks came
Is it
on the
good?
scene.
Yes.
Another generation of young artists. Songwriter from Georgia.
Now we're going to put
Clint Black broke out with his song Killing Time.
the vegetables. I forgot the bell pepper. We need to cut the bell pepper.
She's not doing it wrong, but all those that don't cut the top and the bottom, then you get that receipt. But that's it's
She makes those noises sometimes.
Sorry, I'm just having a fit. And see, as you can see, I prepared this earlier, but then I forgot she was vegan. Anyways,
This is also a vegan meal.
yeah, we know.
They didn't know that,
I'm pretty sure they could tell.
though. They
You said tofu. I mean, I can always eat my for myself. Oh, never mind. It smells bad. I did use the meat from like 2 years ago.
Now we're going to put this bell pepper in. I'll get back to you when that's done. Okay, so now we have all the vegetables in the pot. And now we're going to add the tofu. This part's a little messy. I do it with my hands, but when I do it,
Do you want to help?
I'll need help later. Gets kind of messy, but I normally sanitize very well if I do this at my restaurant. Crush it. It's scrambled.
All 65,675 seats were sold out within 92 minutes. Beating the previous record held by a second show was added and sold out in the same time. So did a third.
I don't really know how that. Sometimes the amount of tofu differs depending on how many vegetables there are, because the tofu is the main dish. That honestly might be enough. Assistant, I need a napkin, please. How many? One.
Hold up. Y'all see it too, right? Right?
There's no need to smell them.
I'm gonna give you an extra just in case.
Okay, thank you. I also need a spoon to to stir all this garlic chicken.
How big?
Just like a spoon to stir all this.
Second one.
How do you turn this thing on?
This will have to do.
How do you turn this thing on?
Don't hurt yourself, love.
No, how do you turn it on? You press down there first.
At what temperature?
6. Thank you.
Do you need me to stir it for you? I don't want you to hurt your wrist.
I'm good, thank you.
Are you sure? Be gentle with that one. Here, let me just.
No.
Drop it.
But if I just.
You're gonna make me hurt myself if you do that.
You already did that enough.
In 1997, 27 country albums, each sold more than 1 million copies in the Atlantic.
She turns into a pig sometimes. She thinks she's Peppa Pig, but it's okay. Anyways, we're just going to stir that, and then while it's cooking, we're going to put in some garlic powder. Can you be quiet, please, assistant? I need you to do that. I need you to be quiet. And then we're going to add in the garlic powder and stir that. And it'll be done.
Let me open it for you.
It's not ready yet. And you don't know the precise amount. I'll tell you when to stop.
Neither do you. You said about. I mean.
So we're just gonna let that cook for a little while, and we'll get back to you. When I need
I mean,
to
like,
assistant.
look, I can help you. I just don't want you to.
That literally almost went on the table.
Oh, shush.
Okay, it's ready to be taken out. Okay.
Awful for your skin. I'm sorry, Master.
So now we're going to get the wrap. I need a paper plate. Assistant. Assistant.
I'll open it for you.
Okay.
Very precisely. Would you let me take it out for you?
Yes, please.
How many?
Just one. Thank you. Can you give me a paper plate?
These are paper plates by Lucy. Buy them on eBay, along with the book, of course. Okay, well, I've got your pen.
Burned me there, but it's okay. So, now to roll the burrito. It's a lot more than I thought it was going to be. This might be a little bit harder. Might be a little bit harder to roll it. That's the burrito. Does it look good?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. But anyways, you might want to put a little bit less in the
burrito.
But if you're making 2 burritos,
That would be perfect.
Oh my God, Joe. Do you need anything?
No, thank you. Actually, can you get me another burrito out of there? I might have two
Two and just split it.
so that I can actually roll it.
Okay. Do you want me to close the bag?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Are you having an identity crisis?
Always.
Hi, I'm Chloe. Welcome to Starbucks. Hi, Chloe. It's nice to meet you.
What was that?
Nice.
A grande chai tea latte?
No, I
Didn't say that.
Record labels have a terrible tendency to chase
Calm down.
current hit. I've always said that marketing men would
Calm down.
number one forever without a sense of guilt.
Calm down.
Just because of the eliminate risk.
Calm down.
Oopsies.
I did it again.
Okay, now the burritos are ready. Thank you for watching. I'm a big kid now, with the help from my assistant, Lucy.
You mean Chloe from Starbucks?
Chloe from Starbucks.
You mean Big Shark?
Big shock. Ha. Thank you for watching. Please like and leave a comment down below. Subscribe. That's not how I normally do.
Don't film me yet.
I'm not filming. I'm just like.
Take a picture.
Okay, I'll take a picture. Cute. There we go. Cute. Assistant.
Yes, ma'am. Let me get a drink first.